Okay. Today we're going to be making oatmeal milk and honey. And to start off, I usually take my mold and tip it upside down. And I cut a piece of bubble wrap. That's about this right size to put in the bottom of the mold to make the little honeycomb effect. So I'm going to do that now. We've got our bubble wrap inside, and I'm going to go ahead and just spritz it lightly and pour my first layer. We want to cover up all these little bubbles. We're going to spritz it, and I'm going to let it set up, and then we're going to come back and do our next layer. Now that this is set up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to spray it with our alcohol, and we're going to put in a thin layer of white. See, here I have my measuring cup. Okay, get over there, and we're going to go ahead and spritz it again, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put in these little heart embeds on the white and cover it up, and then continue with a couple different layers. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spray this and then spray our hearts. And I have a little bit of bubble wrap on that side, so I might want to cut that off. Probably want to readjust these. Okay, now we're going to take and pour a little bit of white. I don't know how set up it is, so I have to be careful. Okay, we've got those covered, so we're going to go ahead and spritz it and let it set up, and then I think do the final layer. Now we're ready for our final layer. So I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. Okay, there we have it with the bubble wrap off. It gives you all these little honeycomb things in it. So I'm going to get the cutter. a little bit off the ends that cover up the hearts. But I'm just going to put it in here and try to the regular bars. I think you can see it better there. I wish I was better at cutting. And I'm going to take just a little bit off the end. So here you can. It smells so good. There you go.